this tutorial, I'll be talking about viewing beams data in the PL view and the PL post. I'll begin with a very simple example of a square slab and two columns. I'm going to toggle on the beams mode to draw my beam, but first I'm going to snap to grid and I'm going to draw the beam between the two columns. Then I'm going to go to the select mode. I'm going to right click on the beam to open this properties dialog box. I'm going to change the number of divisions to 4. And I'm going to leave all the other settings as is. I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to view the BE model in the PL view. I'm going to say no to the save prompt. Now, as you notice, that the beam is shown as a series of patches divided equally into 4 parts, plus one patch on each side. However, the patches on the sides are a bit smaller than the patches in the middle. Then I'm going to toggle on the element view. Now, notice that the geometry of the beam is considered. This is very important. I'll go back to the PLGen. I'm going to run the model. It's going to prompt me to save it, so I'm going to save it as tutorial 15. And then I'm going to open the model in the PL post. After opening the model, I'm going to click on Beams to open the Beams Manager. Then first I'm going to tell it to read the beam geometry. And then I'm going to toggle on Show Nodes. And simply going to click OK. Scroll up and down to refresh. Notice that the nodes are located on an axis along the beam, centrally located in each patch. Toggle off elements and columns. And then right click and open the Beams Manager. Toggle on Show Node Numbers, Show Elements, Show Element Numbers, and Show Direction. I'm going to click OK to close the Beams Manager. Scroll up and down to refresh. After doing so, notice that in the PL post the view of the beam is different, and it's considered skeletal without a relation to its geometry. However, initially it was shown as a patch, thus the PL post worked as a viewer as well. And this concludes our tutorial.